And we're back to learning Gimp. Let me show you how you can easily create a tilt shift effect. Let me copy the original and we'll work on the copy. I go to Filters, Blur, Focus Blur. I'm gonna have the preview checked and then set the drop down to horizontal. First up, you can adjust the intensity and the blur radius. For my canvas size, around 10 to 20 is a good value. And then you can left click drag on these two lines. One up here furthers out to the maximum blur, and the one in center, it adjusts the focus line. For my photo, this position is fine. I confirm here OK. And you can see if we compare it to the original, this is how easy you can create this tilt shift effect in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.